Hello guys, how's it going? I hope everything is well. So in this video we are going to talk about class 10th mathematics chapter number 12, application of trigonometry. This is a very important chapter here. Like after the trigonometry, it is also important chapter. Okay, so in this we are going to talk about all the fill in the blanks important question. So let's see this here. So this video especially designed for the Andhra and Telangana. So according to the recommendation of the video that the student they can be watch. Okay. Okay, so then 6 to 11th one you can see. Okay, then you can see 10 to the 16 one. Okay, 16 one is not clear, but I will make sure that. Okay, 16 one is then it is here. You can see 16 to you can say it is still here. Okay, 15 to 21 is it clear for you? Right? Is it clear for you? Okay. Right, so if it is clear, then here you can see, so you can see the answer sheet also. Here you can see answer 1 to the 50 root 3 and 60 till is a 20 here trigonometrical ratio. I hope is it clear for you, and we will meet another video, and Jai Hind.